Hi friends. So now next question is, we need to find a substring and he want output like that. Output should be this one. Suppose I will give the input Python and second string something. Second string I have entered HO. So it will print something like that. String found or not found. Okay. So we'll see, and suppose first string about Python and second at HO, and it will get found the substring. So it is speed like that. So okay, we'll run it and check how it is working. Put debugger here. I will run it. Now we'll ask the enter. So Python and on. I'll put the on. So it's come here, and let's start the condition. If str dot find what on, then it will come port equal to -1 and false if it is found in substring. So what is it? Okay, once again I am executing, editing Java. Here put on AV. How it is working? So okay, if you put long string also it will work, not a problem. Suppose using Java program enter इसमें मैं we are searching. Okay, now it come to the condition part and it is found. So we can say that this program is working fine. So program is find the sub string from the given string or from the existing string. So like that we can find. So thank you for watching.